Hello, in this video I would like to take a lighter to explain about the component of it, and I will show some the operation of the lighter as you can see in the pictures here. Okay, we have it has a lot of part that we don't never that we never knew it before. So yeah, you can see the spark and gas in it here, and you can see any the spark wheel and everything that you some people who never knows. So this is a normal material that we use every day at home for the people and the person who like smoking. They have it. So I just want to share some idea and some knowledge about this. Okay, this version we see the flame out. It just shows some components of the light, the component of the light test. Anyway, you can take time to see this video for detail, and then you can understand so what is the detail component of it and how how does it work. And this one we want to show about the original photo from of the component. In this case, it is much more clearer than it shows clearly about the parts step by step. Like we have the flint spring, the washers, spark wheel, manual valve. Yeah. Okay, for this part, we show the upside down of the lighter. Anyway, it also showed really far. I think this is the automatic. It's not a valid automatic that when we have two port that when which port the gas can go through together. Liquid molten levels in the fuel tube. Okay, this is a very normal material